Hey, what's up guys? I'm out here in Portugal for my cousin's wedding. It is my first time being a bridesmaid, so kind of nervous, but I'm just gonna record a get ready with me. Guys, my skin is like amazingly bad right now. It's insane. I miss my vanity and this sun. Okay, the sun really wants to move right now. Okay, moved. Cause it's way too sunny. I'm not gonna be in the sun. Dang, I'm getting like so humbled right now by how bad I do makeup. This is like a no mirror makeup challenge basically. Okay, the sun is like following me again. I've been doing my blush like right under my eyes these days, but I'm just gonna go for the cheeks today. Okay, but I still want it under my eye. I look more alive. I think I'm gonna stop right here because I can't touch my hair. Getting ready. Done with my hair, back to my makeup. Falsies time. I go with the natural full look. This is my hair. Alright. Hi guys. I'm still doing my makeup. I look like American, the Crazy Rich Asian. I look really old. I look Korean. You look so Korean. I look so Korean. I look darker. You do. Oh my gosh. I'm dead. I think it's 멋있어 근데. 깜짝 놀랐어 진짜. She came in the room. 깜짝 놀랐어. I saw the mirror and I was like. 근데 화장은 겁나 잘했어. 맞아. 그건 인정. 신났어. 누가? 내가. We're done getting ready, but people are still getting ready in our room. And this makeup, I'm getting a little used to it now, which is good. But I feel like it's so out of my character. I need to act stronger to match this makeup. Like, yeah. You're so bad. Guys, look at what? Huh? Zoom in. 무서워. 진짜 다르다 우리. Changed her dress style to more like a dinner time. It's cold. Guys, this was $30. So nice. But we had to like cut it and stuff, so cutting and everything was like $60. So basically this dress was worth $90. Time to go up. This is wild salmon tartare with crab. 겁나 맛있어.
엄마 괜찮아요?
The fishes here are so good, honestly. What is this? Lemon, yes, lemon and basil. Yogurt and honey ice cream. This is amazing. Guys, I caught the bouquet. Okay. Hey guys, I'm back. It is currently 1:11 and honestly I don't know what kind of videos I took today. The food was amazing. like amazing, and the couple was amazing. The first dance was beautiful. The weather today was so good. I'm like really glad. Like everything was perfect. Literally everything was perfect, and I'm so happy for them. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a like, and also subscribe, and also leave me a bless you, and bless you. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!